Hi there traders, this is Chris from Elite Currency with a review on markets.com. This is what you can expect, a quick introduction of markets.com. We will of course review the platforms and instruments, which is key. Take a look what kind of advantages you have through Elite Currency, the educational analysis, and then the final word of pros and cons. Let's start. Here is some background information about markets.com. First of all, they were recently purchased by PlayTech, which is a company on the London Stock Exchange and part of the FTSE 250 index. So we're talking about a major company here. And this has led to some significant and interesting improvements with markets.com as well, which we'll show in the next slides. Regarding regulations, that is done in Cyprus for markets.com, and Cyprus regulations have seen improvements with tighter client protection and also a negative balance protection for traders. Markets.com offers two platforms. One is the MetaTrader 5, and the second one is a web-based platform developed by Markets.com. I like this second one primarily. It's very intuitive, has a lot of options, and I like the way you can work and analyze with this platform. Here is the web-based platform. You can see price, euro dollar in the right lower corner, and you can easily zoom out and in using these tabs. And you can of course show the entire screen by clicking on full screen right here. There are a lot of options, of course, obviously the ones you expect, time frames, and of course candlesticks and lines. What I like about it is the extra features like a 2-hour chart, small things like that, but also for instance line charts like this, which I sometimes use in fact besides Japanese candlesticks. And I think it gives an intuitive way of looking at price with the green and red angled lines. So you can change that to Heikin-Ashi as well. I think this is Heikin-Ashi indeed, which is good for identifying the trend, for instance. I use Heikin-Ashi candles for that purpose. So very useful extra features here. What I like about the right upper corner here is that you can quickly just change the currency pairs. Look at that. Just click on dollar Swissy, dollar yen, and you get quickly the next currency pair. But you can also look and search for instruments by going to the left upper corner and then clicking on trending. Now, for instance, you can see which are the most popular ones, which are the top risers and fallers, volatile ones. So you can sort out on all kind of criteria the financial instruments that you're looking for. You can zoom lower here to currencies, shares, and you'll find a long list of potential instruments. I really like the wide range of available instruments. I think it's impressive, and I think that this will also be a plus point for you as well. Also wanted to add that there have been some recent new updates to the platform, some very useful ones, such as the multi-chart ability. That's very useful if you're using multiple time frame analysis like myself, so you can see multiple time frames and multiple views. Another good thing is trading from the charts, of course, very practical, just to decide using the charts rather than using a different menu box. And of course, price alerts, very useful for finding particular criteria and updates that you find important. You can then indicate which alert type you want and also the notification type so that you get a timely update for that particular event. So here's a summary of what I just actually informed you of, but there's some additional information as well. Minimum deposit, $100, that's quite low, so very accessible. Max leverage, 300 to 1, that's a good level there that you can use. Some additional info about the year founded, 2008, and also winner of 2 forex awards in 2017, impressive. One for the best forex trading platform and the other for the provider of the year in 2017. On our Elite Currency website, you'll find a detailed report about markets.com. And there you can see a wide range of instruments, as I already mentioned, stocks, ETFs, indices, commodities, forex, and cryptocurrencies. So that's very interesting, I think. Regarding the fees, the euro dollar a little bit higher, as you can see, when compared to 2 other brokers. But keep in mind, though, that the other brokers typically have extra fees in terms of, for instance, commission that you have to pay. Markets.com does not have that, so that's something to keep in mind, because fees, commissions do add up after a lot of trading. Regarding CFDs, as you can see, very affordable rates here with Markets.com when compared to the competitors. just wanted to highlight two more things which I think are important. There are 2002 CFDs, so that's quite an impressive number. And besides the own application, own trading platform from markets.com, I think that the mobile trading is something you will find interesting as well. It is a very interesting solution here, very comfortable for trading. So I think that that's something you want to check out as well. All right, the good news is that markets.com is one of the partners that Elite Currency is working with for our Traders Club. You can find out more information on this link right here, the loyalty program. And the advantage is that if you open a new account with a minimum deposit with markets.com through our link, you'll get 1 month of ECS Live for free or up to 35% discounts on the trading system. So there's a benefit for you right there. And if you're a current trader, of course, then just reach out to us via email to get a personal offer. Regarding tools and education, things are a little bit more limited. The economic calendar is quite useful because it's more intuitive with the flags and the times like that. I like that. But with regard to other analysis, it is not that expansive. You have a Brexit watch, which is a neat idea. You have a tool for trends, which could be useful. But live webinars is a little bit on the low side, only one a week. And that seems to be a little bit limited. And if you go into cryptocurrencies and currency analysis, then a lot of text, but not many screenshots, and you cannot even click on the screenshot. So that's a little bit of a disadvantage there with regard to the analysis side, I think, on the website. You do have a lot of tabs, and you can take a look at those, and there are some useful things regard to trading tools as well that you might want to check out. As I said, the Traders Trend, I think, is an interesting one. There's also market consensus, for instance, and that could be also very useful. So there are some good things, some less useful, I think, and for that, of course, you can always turn to Elite Currency for more technical analysis. All right, that's it. Here's a final verdict: pros and cons, advantages, backed by a public traded company, web-based platform, and also mobile platform accessibility. Wide range of instruments. We just mentioned 2002 CFDs, so plenty of choice on that. Affordable fees, and of course our ECS deal that you could get ECS Live 1 month for free. Some disadvantages: not that much education, but you can of course use Elite Currency and our education for that. And the Cyprus regulation, not the FCA, but Cyprus is getting tighter on that front as well. So once again, here is that Traders Club idea, so you can check it out here, loyalty program, and you might be able then, of course, if you join with markets.com and do a minimum deposit to get that, you will then, in that case, get that 1 month ECS Live for free or up to 35% discount for our systems. That wraps up our review. Wish you all great trading and talk to you soon. Cheers.